While searching Google Earth for somewhere new to explore, I came across something strange. At first glance, it didn't look like much, just a formation, quiet, almost unnoticeable. But something about it felt off, too straight, too out of place, almost like it didn't belong there at all. The more I looked at it, the more it started to feel man-made. But I needed proof. So I turned to Google's historical imagery and went as far back as I could, 2006. And that was when things started to change. As I moved through the years, the shape became even clearer, more defined. By 2012, it was impossible to ignore. This wasn't natural. This was something built, something intentional. But what was it? Looking for answers, I went even further back. This time, not digitally, but historically. I checked the James Robertson 1804 map of the area, and what I found raised even more questions. The exact location was labeled as pond. A pond? That didn't match what I was seeing at all. At this point, I had more questions than answers, and there was only one way to find out the truth. I had to go there myself, and what I found was really not what I expected.
So the next piece of the wall, guys, when these things are so huge, see over there, whoa, yo,
Me is not from this parish.
okay,
Not from Manchester.
Manchester,
But I come in St. Thomas back in lad when me are 90.
oh, every the more it go down, see it a go down, and it now buck, nothing it no buck pan, you know, guys, and you see still a go down, look on the joints of the bamboo, you see that?
When me come here, turtle be nice. Broad so you know.
Eh?
Turtle at this size, my brother.
Them catch, people them catch them.
No, nobody not really catch them.
Here, due to the walls that are there. I'm gonna show you all that too, guys. Alright, so this is the Stokes Great House. Let us go inside. Blessings everyone, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. So today we're on the New Pira Road, heading down to the community of Old Pira, and I'm gonna be showing you the windmill tower and the forts that are down there, and then I'm gonna be showing you a dam, guys, a very huge dam. Alright, so I may have a surprise for you. I'm showing you this. Tell me if you don't like this. Alright, yeah man, you follow me, guys. Tell me if you don't like this, because it's kind of awkward to drive and film at the same time. But if you all like it, we'll try to do it. Well, we're not gonna try to do this because I can't drive and do this guy, and I want to show you all the sights. I want to show you the place. So this is why I'm walk. These are the reason why I'm walk. You know? But anyway, I'll get back to you all when we get to New Pira. So we'll come back to that because we're right here. So we'll go down to the dam now. And guys, this one I really couldn't walk. Yeah? I couldn't walk. This is far. Tell me if you all like it. Yeah? So we'll go down to the dam now, guys. I not even remember where I was name of peeps, I swear. I have to ask Clarity. I call Clarity and ask Clarity. Shout out to Clarity Flex TV who gave me information about this place. Like me up on the phone with Clarity. Guys, me literally up on the phone with Clarity the whole journey coming here. Like, and I work, you know. And me a bad eye, you know. Every second me have to call Clarity, you know. Yo, Clarity! Yeah. Yo, you're there in our video, bro. Where on us name again? Stokesal. I know Stokesal, I know Stokesal Great House that we're on that side of your name.
Where?
What part am I there now? What the Great House name?
Eh?
What the Great House name?
Stokesal Great House.
A Stokesal Great House that up there, sir?
Yes.
Guys, sorry about that. I have a different entrance I take it from. Alright.
Take it from from down.
So that means that the main road right out there, so?
Yes, the mirror just got below, so just go down and come off and hill and go for the mirror and come back down.
Yeah, cause me I worry, so me have to go back through the body road them.
No, man.
Okay.
So
Alright.
come back down a Pleasant Hill and just come up.
Pleasant Hill, that's the name them I look for. You know, say, alright, guys, hold on clarity. Hold on clarity, guys. You remember me I telling about the Pleasant Hill plantation? You remember me I tell about the Pleasant Hill plantation ruins where it's near to Stokes Hall, it up on the left hand side coming out off of the road there, when me I go out on the main. So me I look for that 10 times I left here. So remember me I tell about that, because I see it from satellite view, I think me the send you imagery of it. What house in the bush out there, you know?
Alright.
I think that's the house for the dam. That's supposed to have something to do with the dam, you know?
Yes, sir.
That's supposed to have something to do with the dam. One structure the out in the bush on the left hand side after you pass the Stokes Hall and I go out on the main. Opposite from the direction you
Alright,
go.
look here. Alright. You have the community, Stokes community. If bring up a great house, if you look over, you see the Stokes community.
No man, I not talk the community, you know. You see, alright. You see when you left Stokes Hall and I go back out on the main, out on the original main road that bring up Golden Grove. You see on the left hand side, before you reach out on the main, one structure in the bush in there, say, isn't it? The Pleasant Hill, the Pleasant Field or Pleasant Hill Great House, something like so. Pleasant something, isn't it? So I see if I find it today when I left here, so.
Yeah, I think once to the out there, so what
Me that tell you about it, bro. Yeah, man.
No, man, it's the practice repair up at the dam and here, over there. In the teleport that I will tell you where I come up on this step and find it.
Okay. I think I and Brian, me Eastside Media, they up on the phone one night and we are search Google Earth and me did find it. I show him because we find one tank across the road. What cross the road over there, so bring you go up at that place there? Winchester. One tank the right across the road, but yeah, but when you see it from satellite imagery, it look like one spaceship, bro, like one round spaceship there in the bush. So we don't wonder what. And then scrolling, me see the ruins, isn't me? Guys, over this side down there, but me not reach down to the wall yet, so I'm showing you that. The road here, lonely and dead and just tormented. But around here nice though, I like it. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, let me know. Shout out to Clarity Flex TV. You know, type Clarity in the comment section if you're there in the video and see me say this. Clarity, shout out to people and they're on live. Yeah, nah, hear me. I tell you to shout out the people because you're there in the video.
Everybody, see one boss.
Yes, man.
One, Jamaica.
You know, guys, the goat them. Yeah, man. The phone.
Just continue on the journey, my youth.
The phone did break up a while ago, bro. But
Continue on the journey and later come now.
yeah, after 4 I go to 5, you know. Bro, I could walk come on a side, no Clarity.
Yes.
I could walk come on a side, no. And when me that plan that video, I say I go walk yo from on the main. I couldn't did walk. I wouldn't reach. Yo, I hear something. Guys, you hear that? Sound like a fire still. Alright, so we head down to the dam. Then we turn back and go up to the... Guys, show the angle here I come from, the entrance here. I did not realize that it was the Stokes Great House because when we were speaking, he just referred to it as the Great House. So I thought it was the Pleasant Hill. I was around yesterday, I thought it was the Pleasant Hill Great House, which had something to do with the dam, even though I knew a structure was across the road. Alright, so anyway, that's no inconvenience to me because at least I know someone new and I can show all of this greenery and we can have an adventure today, though. So the dam is somewhere over there, you know, guys. And them say alligator over there. I'm not sure if alligator over there still. I mean, here's a snake over there. I'm not sure if snake over there. I don't really care because it's not somewhere that I can actually go in the water. You know, so. But in the video that Eastside Media did, I think it was Eastside Media or Clarity Flex in the video that they did, I know I saw a turtle in that video. So I know that there are turtles in the water. So I'm showing you that. Guys, and if it's the first time you're joining, please give the video a thumbs up as that really does help the channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so. Alright, become a part of the Elite family. Yeah man, we do historical videos, historical vlogs, and like historical hikes and adventures. Yeah? I like how them have them little opening where you can park. Look at him, I never the park around here so still. Yeah? So as I was saying guys, when I drive, I like to be safe, and driving and filming at the same time, I have to look on the camera because I'm a perfectionist in a way. I gotta look on the camera to make sure I set a film straight, and at the same time I have to focus on the road. And you notice how these roads are small, you know? Like if I drive go around here so now when a car come, I literally have to reverse, or them have to reverse because like we not can pass, you know? So I don't like to take risks. So I will park at a location and then walk to where I am going, walk to the site. So water is down there, so we should start seeing parts of the dam wall. I don't know if a piece like that down there so still. So kind of dark. Alright, to reach out back at the end of the left end, so we should start seeing the dam from down here. So I'm gonna figure this out. So if the dam run come up, that means we could have wall over here so. Whoa, whoa, there's a bird in my frightened. Oh, it's not a wall. Alright, the dam is said to be over here on this side. Yeah, I think that truck should take you into where the dam is. But guys, I think it's hard if you're going on a truck. Alright, it's a piece of the wall here guys. That's a piece of the dam wall. Yeah. Alright, so let me go down further and trace it. We'll trace it, come back up. It's minutes to 5 you know guys. It took me a while to get here. At first I did have to do other business in Marant Bay and then head out, and it took me a while to get here.
500 meters, turn right onto Hampton Court Road.
Wow, why this thing a frighten me? Why am I so panicky to the door? It's a piece of the wall here again guys. So the next piece of the wall. Guys, when these things are so huge, it make you feel weird. I don't know if when I get the feeling. You just come out of the bush and this thing just big. But the dam is behind that guys. I'm gonna try to show you the other side. And this is, I think this is the largest dam in St. Thomas. That's the top of the wall. Yeah. I don't think it's the other one, and I'm gonna show you why. And I think you will agree with me. This is the top of the dam, guys. And it's not listed on the 1804 maps. It's not listed anywhere. It's like the other dam. That's the wall up there. This is really huge, you know, guys. And you will pass and don't even notice that it's here. But that's not what I'm speaking about. Guys, may I go show you how far down the road this go? I want to tell me if this not bigger than the one we got the other day. Alright, so that's still the dam there, guys. That's the wall up there. Alright, now look. Alright, that's the dam wall up there. So if I go down further in a zoom, see over there, guys. So this is part of the dam, guys. Hey, sorry about my language peeps, but Jano. Alright, so whoa, this big enough. You see it big, guys? And this is the back of it. I don't know if not all there, so I don't really want to go down here, so I'm sinking or nothing. Look at me frightened, and the man them frightened too, you know, man. Just to shout to me, shout and say me frightened, you know. Blessed elder.
Yes, sir.
What you know about the dam, yeah?
Huh?
What you know about the dam, yeah?
I'm going to take a walk inside here.
Okay, okay.
Head toward A4.
Like, none of the history you know about it?
None of history.
Okay,
You
okay.
can't ask you there in the parish.
Oh, me understand, me understand.
The
Alright.
one we could know something how we're
The
born.
people were born and growing at the parish.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
We're born and grown. We're born and grown at the parish, and what about it then dead out?
Mm-hmm.
Them
Okay,
dead out. So
okay.
the younger one them couldn't be no.
Eh? You must say if you're good.
Yeah, man, you got turn off. Alright, brother.
Yeah, me like how, yo, me's a St. Thomas man, and me always a tell people say St. Thomas is one of the safest parish. You see all that now, me like that, cause him know you,
Yeah,
him no
man.
know me, so him ask you if you're good.
Right.
Him see one something on me and he don't know one either, you know.
Don't know what.
Alright,
Yeah, don't
big up
know
man,
what.
blessing still not elder.
Yeah,
You see
man,
me?
yes.
My name Alex, me do history and archaeology.
Okay,
You see me?
well, Donald Langmore, my name.
Donald Langmore?
Yeah, Langmore.
Mr. Langmore.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Langmore.
People?
But me is not from this parish.
Okay.
Not from Manchester.
Manchester.
But I come in St. Thomas back in lad when me are 90.
Oh. How far down the road are that go?
No, well, the water leading through the bamboo upon an outlet, and it go way down back and go across the road.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
But
okay.
it's go when the rain fall and it flood over,
You really
can't
see it.
run. Yeah.
My brethren come do a video and I see a turtle over there. Say.
Yes, man, pan turtle. And
No snake no over there as well then, say.
no.
Crocodile no over there.
I know alligator with them.
Alright, so come like you know, so then tell me about alligator.
Nothing,
See the hole there where him see the turtle, you know.
Alright.
Through that hole there.
Yeah, man, it's on so
So what part me can walk go down there?
Go here.
Like me can
No,
walk
no,
this
sir.
so go round?
Well, no, you will have to go back up so
Oh.
far. I don't know if Aisha clean come on to
Okay,
the PhD.
okay.
From PhD.
No, I mean if you go in here, say no.
No, man, you can't go there.
Oh,
man.
cause when I look on it and I see
No,
some
no,
hole
you-
goodly all in here, so I sink.
No, you see this water, you know? How far you want to go down there?
No, I just should want to go over there and see the water
At the
down.
edge?
Mhm.
Oh. Walk or something.
Cause you know when you don't know where you're stepping, it's like how you know up off the step. Watch ya. You want to say what man me wouldn't know, you know?
No. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. You see, if me alone come down here so now, I go think say alligator down here, cause them tell me say alligator down here, you know.
No, sir.
See him like me go around at the one around the arcade and shoot them tell me say alligator around them, afraid me there around there, you know.
No, well, the one we did, the alligator did about it, the way up at the rush.
Okay,
You know, the
okay,
near where the front part, yeah, so.
okay.
Yeah, man, you see this water? This water,
Mhm.
right here so deep on the coconut tree, you know.
Where's that?
Right
Yes,
here,
sir.
so, in a hit here, so.
Yes,
deep
sir.
on the coconut
Deep,
tree.
than the coconut
Yeah,
tree.
man.
So that'll go like 150 to 200 feet.
Alright, may I show you a little thing.
Alright.
May I show you a little thing. You drop fish back down in a hit.
And you not get it back.
No, man, you have to tie.
Oh, you have to tie something on
You
there.
have to tie a string on it.
Okay.
You have to tie a string on it. You can know upon another side. Me just show you
Yeah.
a little. And
Yeah, man, got you.
oh.
Me no want you going to the water, man. That's why. You see me?
Yeah, man, look at it.
Yeah, guys. Look. Wow.
And to green,
Yeah.
it a float.
It'll float up. It'll get everyone it go down in the water.
It a float. A deep
But you see, it'll go down. It'll go down.
But you green?
Cause me still not, it's still not touch bottom.
No, man. Not a half the butter.
Guys, deep. But than the height of this coconut tree. Now for showing the coconut tree, I'm go back outside because I can't show you good. It now go down because it's a float. So it'll get heavy the more it go down. See it go down? And it now buck. Nothing it no buck pan, you know, guys. And you see it still go down, look on the giants of the bamboo. You see that? Maras in there, you know.
Yeah, man, Mara. This is the shallow part, you know.
Okay,
What
oh, there's
is
so,
so
yeah,
deep,
then if you're so deep, so.
Right, deeper.
If you're so deep, so.
Yeah.
Guys, it's deep, you know? Really deep.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Deep.
You see, sometimes it's good when I go them places and I see somebody like you, you know.
Alright, people now.
Uh-huh.
A shallow out here, saying. Over in there, so. Deep.
Wow.
Deep.
can just imagine, you know, cause yo, they make this for keep water, you know, man.
And the water,
Where-
with this.
Uh-huh.
I send some bus out that.
Okay.
They pour the water.
Dig this.
Dig out this, you know. See the overflow there?
Oh.
Overflow.
So the overflow the way up at top of this,
Yeah.
so let me catch it from the side. The overflow the up at the top of this, so.
Overflow pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhere. Half up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
When it full up too much, it run out.
Yeah, when they pull up too much.
Cause what me hear say the farmer them used to use this one time. Like for water, cattle and them thing there back in the days.
Yeah, when the king over there,
Uh-huh.
we use the water spray and go drink it.
Okay, okay.
The reason next, the farmer,
Hey, mind that dryer down in there, no man, careful.
and the deeper part of it,
Mm-hmm.
it was deep on this length.
Cause cause that dam is big enough, so you can imagine when the water come out and it a dig, cause the little spout there right there, so when it a dig,
No, this water wash your car down on the road.
eh?
When
Other
it
water here when me see wash your vehicle down there, so? In the
Yes.
storm, in a barrel?
Yes, where the water go cross the road
Yeah.
and go cross and go see, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man. When
So
Tyrone
the
and
water,
Rita
where
see
the
you-
water come from? This come from Peach River?
No,
From
you
the
know.
planting garden?
No, man.
Okay,
This water,
okay.
no, the catchment.
Mm-hmm.
All the hills. The hills where we are coming, and that tall hill there,
Mm-hmm.
a hill surround it. So all water come down the
So
hill.
it's more of a catchment.
Yes, and just a catchment.
And it built for keep holy power.
to
Yes.
keep.
Hey, that's something I frightened before. You see how they make
What-
this
what will
semicircle
This bill in Australia for the great house.
for the Stokes all.
Yes, this
Oh.
yes, the great house up at the top.
Up back
there.
up them here go man.
Right. So
But when I done me ask you something.
yes, so to when we get to understand, down here, so this
Mhm.
year them usually catch water from,
Oh.
and over there, so now we are up to the bamboo there.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll have a hole up there where full of water where they
Like
have
a
a
well.
canal. They have a canal go underneath the
And
earth.
go over the dam over
And go-
Stokes all.
No, it go run out top side where I don't know if you come from that here, but you have a rubbish where them dump garbage.
Oh no, me no.
Top of the
Other
garbage.
way me
Okay.
go and go up.
Top of the garbage,
Mm-hmm.
there the canal, concrete canal, you know,
Oh.
where the water run out
Mm-hmm.
and go down to the gully.
Okay.
So down where at the house in Chusky, when we come see,
Mm-hmm.
you have a big, what you call it now? What them call it? The brick. What
Okay.
them say I
The-
was the
That's what them
vehicle-
used to build back then.
Yes, in a slavery,
Mhm.
and that are them bakery house.
Okay,
So that
okay.
water now
It
go down
supply
there
them
now.
around there so too.
Yeah, and they have a big well down there.
Oh,
Where them get
them
water
store the
from.
water.
Yeah,
You know, I do a video one at a time about Stokes all and should me see the tank up there out of the front?
right.
I mean, not say nothing lead to it. So I say no, say it look like these enslaved people used to carry water from somewhere, come through in night to full it because that's the only way water can reach in there.
Yes,
So it
yes.
seems like a down here them used to carry it from.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. It line up.
Mm-hmm.
Them beer water.
Or maybe them have all a place up there so them can get the water from outside.
No, they have tank up there, you know.
Okay.
Some tank up there.
So these are the only place where water come out of the dam?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay,
But a bus and bus it. Otherwise, yes, you only see no water.
When when this bus, long time it bus like back in them days then?
Yes, man.
Okay,
Yes, that
okay.
about, let me see. Let me see. I find out the 70s.
Finally
I
70s.
find out the 70s me come here.
Okay,
So in the 70s,
in the 70s.
it bus out.
So,
Them
hold
bus
on,
it
the
out.
water will come from crossover next dam at Arcadia. It have nothing to do with that one here?
No, no.
Okay, okay.
No, that are different.
That I did for the banana thing.
That was, yeah, for Bowden.
Mm-hmm.
That leading to Bowden.
Okay, it used
Yeah.
to control the
Right.
electrodynamics to bring the tram car them.
Yes.
I
yes.
do a video over them, I go over them and over there so scary because them say crocodile over there and me alone go over there.
Yes, it over there, but not at the front part where the
Okay.
wall there.
'Cause when I go there-
Where you go see the log wall,
Mm-hmm.
is maybe you go night, then come palav there. But through some
Oh.
YouTube, you go there go fishing and then build a raft there.
Okay.
But way up, where they
Come here
live
say
there.
go 3 miles up.
Yes, way up now the pint and up there, alligator there.
Okay,
And sometimes
okay.
they walk out and come down on the road. Where them call it, they have a string down on the road.
Yeah, because the water come out on the road too, you know.
Yes.
So alligator, okay, so I never lie, them a take. Cause people tell me say
Yeah,
alligator
man,
did there,
yeah,
but
man,
some
yeah,
people
man,
tell me
but
say them
none
did
of
there.
them, yeah, sir.
Some people say they not did there, is it?
No man, it did it, man. It did it, man.
But
it did it.
from my
Then,
estimation and looking at the place, alligator off it did it.
Right at the bridge.
Because-
One little bridge did it we want spring there.
No, me
Right?
remember back in the days people said they see alligator out there.
Good. Well,
You see me?
choke no hold down alligator right about there at the road, man. When come up in confirm pier, no.
Mhm.
The alligator come from Works Yard River and follow the stream come feed.
Oh,
Right? And follow the said gully come right up, right in it.
okay.
Yeah, it just coming like down a
None couldn't there so cause them not know where it come from. Them not have no leading stream.
No. Them say snake there, no snake man. For years you have here around there.
Okay.
I reap. I never
Okay.
see a snake.
And even if snake
Right.
in here, I wouldn't poison no snake either.
No.
But me see turtle still, cause when me watch
No.
video, me saw one turtle right in the
Look,
opening there,
look
so.
at turtle yesterday. When me come here, turtle be in a broad so you know.
Eh?
Turtle at this size, my brother.
Them people them catch them.
No, nobody not really catch them.
Eh?
No, sir.
People not eat turtle.
No, for the turtle foot. The foot for your bullfrog, you know.
Dirty and
Yeah, man.
oh.
But alright, when I can remember a few years ago, two small ones wash out, you know, and I would catch them and I have them. Run
Okay.
out them, I don't know what to do with them.
Okay.
And as some you know them food stay. I would never eat those.
Me say, well, me eat turtle meat already, but me never see them foot when me I eat it. Me never know how them
You
really
mean
look.
pan turtle?
No man, just me don't know if I pan turtle or what. Restaurant me the buy.
No,
Are the regular turtle?
Are the regular turtle with
Okay.
feather, man.
Oh, feather?
Yeah.
Turtle or feather? Not turkey.
Duck.
Not turkey man, turtle.
Yes.
Turtle in the water me
We
attack
in
with
a
the shell
water.
man.
The shell?
Mhm.
Oh, well, that I from sea?
See, yeah, I see it, yeah.
Yeah,
like-
man, that have we regularly
Cause people eat them, you know.
Eh?
We eat them, people eat them.
Yes, the sea turtle.
Oh yeah, say them one ugly.
But this one, you know, right?
Yeah.
A pan turtle,
Oh.
right? Well,
That come in like the soldier crab them.
That's right.
Okay.
Mr. One old man I have came around there. Him say, people usually eat them, but I chew them and also them full up now this.
Cause back in the days, the Thai, you know, them used to eat them, you know. We ancestors them eat them, you know.
Okay.
And then them cook them and the English them they get to like it too.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes, well, I'm going to chew them and no say there.
True.
Right?
True.
But they no say there now. Then come clean
People
it
that
out
come,
and
yeah.
support them. Yeah.
And people that come take out them peer and go raise.
Right. Yeah, right now, you see here, so, and you drop your fish back down there.
Fish in there?
Yes, man.
So you can come at fish line and catch fish? Purge in there?
Perch.
What
yeah.
they eat?
Well, then feed off of the
They eat worm?
dirt. Then feed off of the dirt.
They eat worm?
Yes. And
Is that thing what I love, you know. I love catch fish, you know.
yeah, then jungle, then call it.
Shrimp.
Yeah, we up now the rush. So
Oh.
they eat it.
Okay.
Yeah. For
Because if purging us, so then have nowhere to go unless water start running.
yeah,
up.
man, we're buying there. We up to one bamboo.
Because then can't climb us here now, you know.
No, man, the water flush them over.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, them a
go-
come from up, so come
go in
down.
there. Yes,
Okay,
water.
okay,
When the
okay.
big flood come down, so the small one they wash over and then come grow.
Oh.
Yeah.
That means
Yeah,
some
man.
big man saw something good down in there and
Yeah,
bullfrog
man,
and
we up
anything.
on the bamboo there, man. Man, I catch them pound, 2 pound, 3 pound, big something, so.
One day I want to catch some
but
fish, man. It's a thing I
differently-
love.
The first time I catch them now, and go. Them now eat live, you can taste the mud.
Oh, them
Yes.
eat. The beer mud they eat.
Yes. Them now eat nice.
So they don't have nothing else to eat down here.
Nothing else to eat, you know.
Come on, go back out on the front now.
Yeah.
Because up Stokes outside, me I go up that side of my park, you know.
Anything them catch, them just eat.
Oh, yeah, because them not really have nothing better can do. Jano. More than know, say I saw one as I stay, you know. Because me think, me would think I just gully.
Yes,
You see me?
yes, when I want to know, I think. Yes, for you don't know.
And the wall you not go down no further, though?
No,
Alright.
no.
You just go this and go back up.
Yes.
So them basically block it so that it not come out from the road.
Yes, for this flood come out.
And then them bust it out. Because they might try to protect the road and the community.
No, really that.
Because if you not bust this, you
No,
know.
not that. Original sheep.
Eh?
But
What kind of stuff?
yes, India, you have it now. You see over that side of the Caneland,
Mm-hmm.
on the bottom, this water usually shut down come over from the interval. So
Oh.
none of this bottom came from estate days. I must bad drought. Then you see, you can't read.
Or if too much water there, it can't.
No water, you underwater. So
Mhm.
I must bad drought and then cut it. And woman take it up and carry come up on the interval.
Oh,
Road.
okay.
So it's still give out the whole of this side to farmers.
Okay.
So we get peace we around the corner.
Okay.
Right? So water come right up on the interval edge.
Because back in the days, you know, in a slavery, you know, you see, when them have the cane them and thing like this, even the Arcadia them over there, so you see, if you bring the cane them, sometimes they use even some little something like boat to bring the cane them from up top, come down.
Yes,
Same
across.
thing with banana too, you know.
Right.
That's why they dam it.
Yes.
You have one, I don't know if you know about that one with the round where block have in place when you go, like you have a
Michael
Stanton.
Black. Yes.
When I start,
yes.
you have an old bridge round there with bring it
Read about that
Stanton
one,
go
but I
cross.
don't know it.
I go around
Read
them one.
about that one.
Big, it's not really a lot big still, you know, about
Big,
5 to this, so.
Okay.
But it's old. It
Old.
look like it's older than them. Some of them things you them say the English and the Spanish bill, then
Okay.
come and come see it.
Yes.
Because
I'm
Jamaicans were always here, you know. Remember the
yes.
people that always there, you know.
Yes.
Before
yes.
English and Spanish with under other administration,
race
Portuguese, you
Yes.
see me? So
And Bill had
them
black and
themselves,
things all over.
yeah man, them themselves
Yes.
right, so them come and
Yeah,
come see
man.
things, you see me?
Mhm.
So we're not really sure who built the thing them still.
This
And this is one of them thing there where no information about it.
No.
It's not written nowhere.
No.
You see me?
No. So what really happened now
Mm-hmm.
is a two farmers make up in the night and come bust it.
Mm-hmm.
You know see it. If you drain the whole of that land,
Mm-hmm.
which is a wrong thing.
Oh.
I can remember just like how me and you meet up.
One
here.
man gain, all the people suffer.
Just like how me and you meet up, you know. One evening I come in and meet up a white man,
Mhm.
another colored man, and a Rasta when live out and tank out there. They must say, why, if they know who really boss it, then get him arrest.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So they arrange with the Rasta now, for Rasta is a mason. You know? Say, well, if him can manage a job there and the Rasta tell them yes. So him say, alright, when him come back round, then we link him. But from the many years there, now what they
Nothing I
never
do.
come back round about it.
Oh.
Right, for them say it's not supposed to bust. But I do believe,
Somebody pay some money.
do believe two big pipe,
Connecting there.
two big pipe. I don't know if this end they are further up.
Mm-hmm.
But when it full up, those pipes let out water to a mention.
Oh. But that then should have do for a long time.
Let out water to a
Try
mention.
to push the water. I better them did.
And it's still full same way.
I better them
You
make
know,
one hole somewhere up high where
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
instead of broke it out. Because that means some other people up so suffer from that then.
No, not really that. It just dry it way from that piece of land. It wide about from here so to there.
So what happened to who else did really depend on it?
No, well, no one didn't really
Okay,
depend on
okay,
it. So
okay.
we say, well, it kind of do, not say kind of, it do a good. For
It do a good as far as me see.
A Stokes Hall,
Mm-hmm.
when you left from Pleasant Hill and come down,
Mm-hmm.
that scheme, the all of those house come right down to the entrance
Them would have flood.
at Charles T.
Oh.
Me come here, come see water continue and run from the asphalt.
Maybe
come
this
down.
did cause the flood back then in
Yes,
a slavery
I
what
hear.
them call the Egypt flood.
A heat for what now is soaked underneath the earth now.
Oh.
And whole of them houses mash up.
Janu.
Rain top. Enough it done.
True.
Enough it done. Right? This bill as a catchment to slave.
And a history, we don't
The
want
water,
to damage the...
You see how whole brethren? You see water will come out of it. You see if the wall never die. Then some places down Rocky Point.
Mm-hmm.
No house couldn't fund it. A
Wow.
terrible water come through, you know, man.
Yeah.
A terrible water come through. Don't where you see the water come and cross the road.
Mm-hmm.
Several times car wash and turn cross trench, you know, come down and feel like say well them could have passed.
Mm-hmm.
But you come down them and that thing wrong, man.
Oh, that has since it broke out.
Yes. So
Maybe that's why they not broke out the Arcadia one.
no,
Because if them broke out that road they gone, you know.
I worry.
A 2 week out of water that, you know.
Yes, I worries, right? It can't damage.
Can't block it.
It can't damage. So even he held the whole away over there, right? And he held all of that scheme when I tell go, right? You see the whole of them house right now, where them still build house after that day.
Okay, okay.
Where me live, you know, at Charles Street, I can remember when the whole of them came the bun down and go over there, whole of them. And when we are cut, right around of them tree, one spring with it, man take water. And my water run out and I would say, Tali, water down there, say, no man, clean pretty water, you know, a spring. And I say, Brethren, I go down there and do the job, son, shake out the job. And take the water cool, you know. I say, when I do so, I take out, it just up to it, I say, blame not. I say, Brethren, are the water and I drink? Say, yeah, man. I say, man, are the damn water and I drink, you know. One big man say, Tali, you know, see how true you attack? For me, have some damage over right now, me I go dash you away. For me, drink the water, pure frat, map it out.
Too much bullfrog and sitting in there.
And the water taste heavy. Say, man,
too much bullfrog and them thing there, and there. That's why, you know,
pure cow shit. And all of them, there's something.
I pause this for a while, because
and you really take up this thing where no people do not realize and no cares
true
about the ancient days.
Yeah, a lot of people
right?
interested in that history.
But the thing of this, we supposed to be interested in the longer days.
In the past, because
yes, what our foreparents passed through.
You hear the saying,
yeah?
if we don't know where we come from, we can't know where we go.
We can't know where we go. So we have to know personal where we are come from to know where we are go.
True.
So I respect your brethren.
Blessings, man.
Yes, sir.
And give thanks.
Yeah, I respect
you.
you.
Where's your name again? Repeat
Donald
your name.
Langmore.
Donald Langmore.
Langmore. For the brother Langmore is not for Jamaica, you know. The brother Langmore is
Scottish.
from Scotland of America.
Scottish.
So
in England.
yes. So then come out as slave. The yard when
Langmore never come here as slave. Langmore, you know, say I'm tell people say you have a lot of English people come here as indentured worker. Then come here and them get the land from the Queen. But then get the land to get people put on it.
Yes.
I'm not really touching on that with my audience. Said, peeps, me have a piece of history there for going. But they came, the Langmore came here as indentured workers. They're not buying the land or not. Then get the land and then find people put on the land for work. Them in charge of the land. Up to this day, you're supposed to still have some whole heap of land.
Yes, for what really happened, the yard with me.
Our wall that over there, sir?
No, that are just wall for the road.
Okay.
The yard where I grew up, right? I grew up in this slavery time house.
The Great House.
Yeah, that is yes.
A Manchester?
Yes, that is a old coffee yard.
What part of Manchester?
That the district near Mayfield. That are 2.5 miles from out of Mandeville. We're upon the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth.
On the main?
No, half of the main. Half of the main. Like you come Balaclava and turn up in a Mayfield.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you can't take any one of them with a pepper and go across?
Right.
You can't even go Chilani and take through Jacksontown, come down same way?
Yes, man.
Cross the bridge?
Right. So we go up now, come see 1, 2, 3, 4 barbecue. Long barbecue.
Them used to do coffee?
Yeah, coffee. Yes, a whole coffee yard.
Okay.
So all I do was, the family of them slaves, you know, are dead and buried. Right? So even one of the front room, they will eat, sleep.
Give me a number. When I do the video, I go send it to you.
Yeah.
Because I put the Langmore history
Continue
night.
for 1 kilometer.
So that you can, if they do coffee, I find 2 coffee, even the Langmore plantation, I tell you something I go the other day, it was a coffee plantation with the barbecue them same way.
Okay.
And I do one up at Duckworth. You know Duckworth like I go see the valley?
No.
When I go see Fort and go up, man.
Me here.
Yeah, man, I do one up there so where they have the barbecue same way.
Me hear about that.
How your phone number, go?
It's a my number. Yeah.
Okay, you have it right down?
It's a my number.
495 6466. Alright. Mr. Langmore. LONGMORE, though?
Yes, man, you're right.
Alright, so I'll show it to you. I'll send, you have WhatsApp?
No, me no WhatsApp.
But you have access to YouTube, though?
Me I show a banger.
Banger.
Yeah.
So nobody know the one here, they can show you the video.
No, for mommy phone now.
Mm-hmm.
It not really link up.
Oh.
See.
Alright, what I
no
would have to do,
video.
I call you and one day I just come show you the video.
Right.
Cause
right.
close, you see, when I saw a bad road, if I drive that way, I'm reach on and
No,
Car-
you can't go that way, man.
no, other way that I come from.
Oh, okay.
I come from
It's
New
bad.
Pier, I come through, you know,
It's bad,
and
man.
the car low.
And the low. It's bad.
So you know, if me take the main, but show me there for an adventure today.
Yeah, the pan adventure.
Yeah, but now I go back out for the main.
Right, right. Take care.
Because
yes,
me still have stop at Stokes all.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
And you will see the video.
Alright.
Alright, big up.
That's enough.
And guidance, yeah?
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
Alright, blessings. Mm-hmm. Yes, man. Yeah, guys, so that was the dam. I would call it a catchment. I want to see it deep. And that was a excellent conversation. I really enjoyed it. But I know I have a habit for it. I chat too much sometimes. Just hope I never did do that in another video here. That's one of my problem. I need to get rid of. But anyway, we're heading up to the Stokes Great House. I'm gonna show you all that. Although I've done a couple of videos by the Stokes Great House, but for those who haven't seen, I'm gonna show you all the Stokes Great House, and then I'm gonna try to find the ruins of the Pleasant Hill Great House. Alright, it's minutes to 6. I'm not in a rush still because I'm drive today. I'm gonna get a car, guys. Thank you all for watching the videos. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for liking the videos. Alright, and blessings. Yeah, I still not get no Patreon as yet. Yeah, we still have one Patreon. But anyway, you know, we love what we do, so continue. Yeah, man. I just made here under the car one at a time. But anyway, yeah, guys, we're heading up to the Stokes Great House. Alright, so now follow me. I'll give you some history about the Stokes Great House, yeah? So the water is over there, guys, and the dam. But true, I wonder if had the dam wall that up on the hill, you know, guys. And you see the wall up there, so I wonder if I hit that. I'm sure now. What y'all think? You see that I go across? That wall going across? At the hill? It look like a viaduct. You know, a viaduct is basically the opposite of an aqueduct. It run under the ground or up on the ground. Yeah, but I'm not sure. Alright, so we're heading up to the Stokes Great House. This road is good. I heard that the Heritage Trust takes care of this road because the Stokes Great House is up here. I know it is a heritage site. The sign is up there and all of that. Yeah. Normally where these sites are, they normally fix the roads. But we need more traffic through these sites. We need more tourists to visit these sites, and a system set up where revenue can go to the community or to the parish council, you know, or to whoever is maintaining the site, because that would really be good. Yeah, good afraid of me and me afraid of cow. Size matters. I'm wondering if there's gonna be a time when I go out there so and just go follow the dam and follow the wall, because every day I think I get older with some things, because I want shot that gone down there, so you know. I'm not gonna follow the goat, them make nobody think I run down them goat. Yeah, but I think I get older. Yeah. Or you know, I get scared. But anyway, don't follow me. Yeah, guys, so we're back at the Stokes entrance. So let me show you all that. We have many places to go after here and it's getting late. So I'm gonna give you a little bit history about the Stokes Great House. You know, it's one of the first, what do you call it, first plantation houses to be built in St. Thomas, and it was actually one of the largest and most secure. I would compare it with the Colbeck Castle because it's similar. Yeah. So here's the Stokes Great House, guys. For those of you who have never been here before or have never seen any of the videos that I've done up here, and shout out to the Heritage Trust who are keeping this place so pristine. I like the grounds where it's clean. Yeah, this is a good look. Alright, so let me show you the sign on the well, guys. So down by the dam where the gentleman said that, you know, slaves used to carry water from. Remember when I came here, or in the voiceover of the video, I said that there is no possible way that this was just for rainwater. Like, water had to be taken from somewhere to be poured in here because there is no pipes inside here for the water. But we see the water came from down by the catchment. And as you know, I did another video over here where I went down there to find the dungeon. I did not find it, but there is a possibility that it's down there due to the walls that are there. I'm gonna show you all that too, guys. Alright, so this is the Stokes Great House. Let us go inside. You know, these are gun holes, guys, for defensive purposes. You know, the floor would have been right here, guys. The board would have been here, so it would be at that height where we could see through that easier. Yeah, if you notice, that's where the ground floor would be. So we're actually walking in the cellar. As you notice, the boards would be at that height, so that's the height of the floor. This, I'm not sure, this would have been an entrance, couldn't be a window. Alright, so we'll go on further. And with these places, even look at this construction right here. I'm wondering sometimes if these places were repurposed, because these weren't built just, well, they had them for years, for centuries, different generations, so maybe they were renovated. All right. Sometimes I come in a them place here and feel as if the whole world sitting atop your head, like your head sink down in your shoulder, I get heavy. This would be a fancy, like, step, I think, or a fireplace that would be here, because out here would have been a courtyard. There's another wall right there going across. Yeah, so it's 2 columns, guys. That's over the front, because it was very fortified and it was well fortified, guys. This is the other side. This would be the outside wall. I'm not sure if these were much higher or if they were broken down, and I'm sure why they would have broken these down and leave those standing. Maybe they were like a hazard, maybe that's why. Anyway, let's go around further. It's very beautiful up here. When I look there, guys, them really take care of the place here. I give it a 10. It's the same way that Calbeck Castle and Stuart Castle is being taken care of. I really admire the fact that they are taking care of these places. That's out there. If you look up on the hilltop there, it could be the wall that of the dam on the hilltop. Is it flat and just straight? Now look. Yeah, and I'm not sure what's that down there. Look like concrete. And that's out in Golden Grove. Up here is beautiful, guys. How much would you rate up here from 1 to 10? From the grounds to the maintenance of the site and all of that? So this is part of the other side. There's not much left around here. Trees growing. I know in the next 20 years this will be down if it's not pushed down before, because those trees alone I will take it down. Sun over there. Have you ever been somewhere and felt as if you're not alone? Even when you know say you're alone today? That's the feeling I'm getting. This one is sort of different, or maybe the rocks, the stones were removed. I'm not sure. Or something was removed from there. Maybe the stone just dropped out. Yeah. We'll go around further. Remember, guys, I came here at one point to find the dungeon, which is down here as to the blueprint I've got. It's around the back here. This is another part of building that was here also. Alright, and the underground should be under here, because we even got these things coming up out of the ground. I'm not sure if it's one of them. No, that's a stone. But there were some holes where you could see that there was an underground, and the step, the entrance, like over here, not here. I'm not seeing those. Oh, here. There was something here, like going down. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's something shaped like a keyhole. I'm not sure why there would be a fountain inside of a house, even though at the back it could be like a bathhouse. I'm not sure. And well, when I notice, myself, I'm not sure, like too much time, but I'm not sure. Yeah. But there should be an underground here. This is the wall going down, and I went down there at one point. I can show you clips from that. The wall goes way down. Yeah. I realize that for them literally build up, he build the house, you know.
Yeah, man.
No under, we think them have an underground, but on yesterday entrance there.
Yeah, the entrance would be at them place.
We think them would have a window or something around here.
But, you know,
But them don't have none.
let it stop now. I'll just look here, come to it. So,
The truck up there, so.
the window,
One window there? Yeah, guys, that's the wall, guys.
here was.
Look in there if you can see something in there.
Yeah, yeah.
The camera will see better than you. Yes, man, always. It's nothing in there, just there. Dirt. Gone up and gone over. What could I do in this, so? What you feel like in this, so, Godfrey?
It have underground as you would have suggested to me.
Alright.
No doubt, but here was going on.
Yeah, man, we're not going so far running up. Go. Okay. Okay. You see the next one? Yeah, the camera sit better in there. You will not see it.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. See this?
This is on this steel hole and this built metal something. Look. You get me?
May I find metal here, bro?
And so on this one up at top there, so Alex.
May I bring this with me now? Guys, you know me always collect souvenir. I bring this with me. Eat more, yeah?
You know?
They may have a metal, some shop they did down here, so something they did down here, so, you know. Because they don't just build up for no reason. But you know, so if you notice that's a press pit down there, it goes all the way down. So I still think that the dungeon would be down there, because this is one of the places that definitely had a dungeon as from the blueprint. So here, and even in the cracks of the wall, if you notice this wall is falling away from here, it'll go fall over now. Soon fall over. There was somewhere I saw that looked as if there was a step. I think it's here now, like there was a step going down to go downstairs. I don't want to say it's here, but there was somewhere here that I saw. I'm gonna show you all the video that I did over here. Yeah, and there's another column wall running there and one coming across here. These are bricks. The oven was here. Anyway, you see the wall make out of stone, and then you just have the bricks. You know where the ovens were, or the chimney, because these people use chimney. I'm not sure why they did, but they did, because even in the Stuart Castle, you notice that they had chimneys in the Stuart Castle. I think that's true, you know. Yeah, guys, because this is one fireplace right here, and the other one is upstairs in the other room upstairs. So most likely they would have a chimney. Let me see. Alright, so yeah guys, I think they would have a chimney right there. So up top, this is one gun hole, fortification hole, and next to fortification hole, one there. Now this one is interesting. This one still has board, so we actually get a look at how these windows were. Yeah, really fortified still. I think it was here that I walked, or around there. We walk both places, walk around there to go down, and here to come back up. Yeah, so down there it's sort of flat, closer to the wall. There's another wall going across. Feather, one the feather. Other one are better. No, the one they're not better. One the one here. This is the wall coming across. Why bird feather always smell the way they like? It smell like dog. This is the next wall coming across. This would have been. I think Stokes, I think them do little coffee up here one at a time, you know. If I'm not lying, I'm going to check back into the history. You know, and the here look like something else. You see, the underground was here, you know, guys. But you know how this country is, even although I advance my knowledge in a history, and we should be able to get the go ahead to get a team and get something together where we could have do little excavation. I think say excavation, test the grounds. You know, we can't get a chance to do that because the underground is here. But yeah, towards that beam maybe don't want to see it. Anyway, this is the dam from the other side. There was no pipes going in, and it stored water, as you can see how the stone will stay up on the outside, because that happens after a while. Yeah, Auto does that. So that's the Stokes Great House. This is how it was when it was built. I don't think this is the Stokes Great House. This is the other house down by, I think this is the house down by Golden Grove. Yeah, that's the first Stokes Great House. Let me see if they write it on this. After the British invaded Jamaica in 1655 and seized the island from the Spanish, Oliver Cromwell, Lord Protector of the Commonwealth, from 1653 to 1658, issued a proclamation for English settlers in North America and the West Indies to settle the newly won island of Jamaica. According to Jenny Jemmott, author, Jamaica National Foundation's Parish History of St. Thomas, settlers from other English colonies such as New England, Bermuda, and Barbados came to Jamaica with a promise of land grants and other incentives. You know, those were the indentured people I was referring to when I was speaking to the gentleman. But we're getting another part of history, you know, European indentured servants. St. Thomas received its first batch of English settlers in December 1656 from St. Kitts and Nevis. This group of 1,600 settlers was led by Governor Luke Stokes of Nevis, who was accompanied by his wife and 3 teenage sons. They settled at Hato de Marante, near Port Morant, which Stokes renamed Stokesfield within 3 months. Renamed Stokesfield. Within 3 months, malaria and yellow fever wiped out 1,200 of the original 1,600 Stokesfield settlers, including Luke Stokes and his wife, who died in February 1657. Seriously, that did bad. Stokesfield was eventually deemed uninhabitable due to the presence of mosquito-infested swamps, just like the Mount Lebanon's Great House, where malaria killed most of the family members. The survivors moved about 6.5 kilometers, 4 miles northeast to settle in Stokesall, where a descendant of Luke Stokes built the Stokesall Great House. The Great House is believed to have been constructed in the early 1700s as a fortified house. Yeah, you can say it fortified. Not long after the French attacked the island in 1694. Stokesall Great House ruins stand at an altitude of about 91 meters, 290 feet overlooking Island Bay. The house featured enormous square rooms, 4 stone towers almost 9 meters, 30 feet high, a solid mahogany staircase, loopholes for small cannons and muskets in time of attack, and a front and back veranda. Today, the 4 cut stone towers still stand along with the foundation of the main building. Stokesall Great House was declared a national monument by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust on April 7, 2016. Alright, so this is Stokesall. This is the Stokesfield house. Yeah, I yet to find a house here. I think I down the road down there side. I think I find it already, but I don't know site. And this are the one that we're at right now. And this is the James Robertson map. As you know, it's listed on the James Robertson map. The Stokesall Great House. So guys, that was Stokesall Great House. Now I'm gonna head down to the, we call it Pleasant Hill, the Pleasant Hill ruins, and see if we can see any remains of that. Alright, so I'll get back to you as soon as I'm there. Alright, y'all be there with me, and thank you again for joining. It's really a pleasure having you here. Click like if you like videos like these, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, consider doing so, as that really does help the channel. I remember you can join the Patreon, guys, for exclusive content, because if I get people joining the Patreon, then they know y'all will get exclusive content. You don't know me go to my way if you give no content, so try it. Alright, so we're heading back down, and I'll get back to y'all. Stay blessed.
Blessings everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. As you notice, there is no voiceover in this video, and the reason for that is that there is no information to be found about the catchment or the dam that I found. So I have no information about it. It's not listed anywhere other than that I showed that it is listed as pond. So it seemed they found a pond and they dammed it. That's what I say. Or maybe, they listed it as pond because they don't know who built it. And these historic structures are getting rather confusing sometimes. The next thing, with the Stokesall part of the video, reason being I did not use any voiceover in that part either, is because I basically had the information at the site by the gate. Alright, and information is 80%. The information is 80% there, so I didn't have a reason to do a voiceover to stretch the video any longer, you understand? And then there are about 3 other videos about the Stokes Great House on the channel. Alright, so yeah guys, I'm back. Sometimes you will not see videos for a few days, sometimes a week, sometimes 2 weeks. But you see, in order to continue making these videos, as you know, it's new content with each video, so it takes a lot of research, because I can't just go somewhere and say, hey, I found this. I need to have information about that place once the information can be found. So it takes time, and some of the information is not, well, it's on the internet, but not basically like the way there are enough people that really want it. It's still books. I have to go through a lot of reading material, and it takes a long time. Right now, I have 2 projects I work on, like 2 videos when I work on, and trust me, it'll take me a while just to put the information together. However, I know it's content that you're gonna enjoy, so yeah, I enjoy doing it. Alright, so you can look out for those projects also. With that said, oh, the puppies, when in the other video when I went to Johnson Mountain, I did not get the puppies. I saw the owner of the puppies, and he said that he had just bought food for them and stuff like that. So, you know, him says so. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. I'm not gonna keep you any longer. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so. Alright, it really helps the channel when you do that. And when you click like on the video, it makes the algorithm see that you are interested in the content, so it shares it out to other people like you, and then it promotes the content more so that more people can see the videos. Alright, please do that. I thank you so much for your support over the last months, and I'm looking forward to always giving you valuable content for the time you spend watching. Stay blessed. Have yourself a wonderful evening.
The wipe up whole lot, no big. Whole lot windscreen.
A friend of them, man, so.
It's bad enough free on, you know. It's the money, indeed.
King Joe. Alright, that man. Anytime I carry design, tint anything at all, check in, right as well. Park Flow Plaza, right on the one way. Martin Queen Street, you don't know, Dan King there. Active.
Give me a number, man.
Yes, man.
Otherwise, you can call me from 999 2799. Or you can WhatsApp me on 803 8121. That is it. Cool.
Elite Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.